Nick Sharv on IRS.com. It's that time of the year again. Dreaded tax day is upon us, and we're just simply not ready to prepare and file our taxes, and that's okay. The IRS offers a simple form that you can prepare yourself quickly, easily, and send on in to automatically qualify for a 6-month extension to prepare and file those taxes. Now, please note, the extension is only for preparing and filing our taxes, not paying them. So in order to avoid the late payment penalties, you will need to get your last payments in by April 15th, and you can send along with this extension form in order to avoid those late payment penalties. However, that hefty late filing tax penalty, it can be avoided, and we're going to look at Form 4868 and how we can mail that in and avoid that altogether. So Form 4868, pretty simple, straightforward. We put our name. My name's Taxpayer. We put our address at 123 Street, American City in Washington, D.C., our zip code, our social security number, and our spouse's social if we are filing jointly. Now here's the only data input that you're going to need to complete. Estimated total tax liability for 2022. I'm putting $10,000. Where did I come up with this figure? Well, that's what I owed last year. I haven't changed jobs. My income's about the same, so I just went ahead and put that. Now, I looked at my W-2 that my employer sent me, and on that box it said that federal tax income withheld was $9,000. So I'm $1,000 short, and that's what I'm going to put here as a balance due of $1,000. And how much am I going to send on in with this extension form? Well, I'm going to go ahead and pay my $1,000 in the form of a check. So I'm going to put the $1,000 right here that I will complete with a check made out to U.S. Treasury, and I'll stick it in the envelope along with this extension form. Now, if you are out of the country for some reason and you need to file this extension, you're just going to check this box right here. And this last box is if you file a non-resident 1040, a 1040 NR. If you're unclear as to what that is, you probably don't need it, but it's for non-resident aliens, their tax returns that they prepare and file. If they didn't receive wages as an employee subject to U.S. income tax withholding, they'll check this box. If you have any questions with that, please consult a tax professional. And from there, all you're going to do is print that off, stick it in an envelope, mail it off to the IRS along with that check for $1,000, and you're on your way. Now remember, that tax deadline has now been extended to October 15th. You need to file your taxes by October 15th of that calendar year in order to avoid the late filing penalty, which is a hefty one.